Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open your Hyundai Elantra key fob. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly to release the emergency key. Once the emergency key is out, you will see a small slot where the key was. Carefully insert a small, flathead screwdriver or a coin into this slot. Gently twist the tool to pry open the two halves of the key fob case. Be careful not to damage the internal components. After opening the key fob, you will see the small, round battery inside. Most Hyundai Elantra key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery. Carefully note the orientation of the old battery before removing it, usually with the positive side facing up. Use a non-metallic tool, like a plastic pry tool or your finger, to gently lift the old battery out. Place the new CR2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing the correct direction. Once the new battery is in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob case. Make sure all the internal components, like the circuit board and buttons, are properly seated. Gently press the two halves together until you hear them click securely into place. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its slot until it locks firmly. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. After reassembling, test your key fob's lock, unlock, and trunk release functions to ensure everything is working properly. If you have two key fobs, it's often a good idea to replace both batteries at the same time, as they likely have similar lifespans. Remember, a fresh battery ensures reliable operation. For more great content and deals, check the description below. You'll find a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other helpful resources there. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.